Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dashlane. Open your preferred web browser. Type Dashlane into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Dashlane website link. On the home page, locate and click the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, type your account password. Make sure your password is entered correctly, paying attention to any uppercase or special characters. If you want your browser to remember your login credentials, check the Remember Me box. Once you've filled in both fields, click the Login button. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, you will receive a verification code. Open your authentication app or check your email for the code. Enter the verification code in the required field on the login page. Click Verify to complete the authentication process. You will be directed to your Dashlane dashboard. Once logged in, you can access and manage your passwords securely. If you encounter any issues, check the email and password for accuracy. For password recovery, click the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. You are now ready to use Dashlane for secure password management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.